Just after the buildings were built, we have made many quality tests in all the buildings to ensure the quality of the buildings are acceptable. For example, we have made infrared measurements, and all the places with the defects were fixed, and all the gaps between the materials and the ceiling and the wall were sealed by the special adhesive materials. The next measurements we have made for the buildings is the estimation of actual air exchange rate. So we know the volume of the air with ventilation, but it is not so easy to calculate the real exchange rate. And we have made measurements and measured the air exchange rate for the all different ventilation regimes which are provided with air heat pumps. We have made also the measurements of the air tightness at 50 pascals pressure difference in all the buildings, and we have measured also the thermal transmittance for all the building structures, like window and door frames, ceiling, floor, and external walls. And now we have real-time measurements of the U value only for the external walls, and for all the other building structures we use this U value, which is measured in the first 2 years. We have measured also other parameters like radiation, like thermal comfort conditions, which includes not only the temperature and humidity, but also the temperature difference, the radiation asymmetry, wet bulb temperature. In the first 2 years after the project starts, we have made also measurements of the mold growing conditions in the buildings, and we have found that in the building with the higher initial moisture content in the outer walls, it means also the higher air humidity, the mold growing is a very big problem. But for the buildings with low humidity, almost no molds were found. The measurements of some other physical quantities, like total organic compounds and formaldehyde, were made too in the buildings.